So guys, this is a long time with making EIS slimes. So I know guys, you might want to wait for my things of stuff. But first, guys, I have to wait for my F plushie to make Orange and Green Part 2. I promise. And I also have school because I'm still 7. I'm a kid. So you guys want to react to EIS. I'm going to react to EIS alarms. Well, Canada. So we're just going to start in some British. But we're going to start some of these Belgium EIS alarm. Let's try it. Never want to hear that sound again. 10 out of 10. I just looks like it sounds like a girl laughing. But let's react to another one. Next time we're going to react to Portugal EIS alarm. Okay. Portugal gets a 10 out of 10. I don't know what the hair is, but I don't know what to say about this one. So next one, we're reacting to my favorite country in the world. Starts with a letter C, called Canada. Alarm. So this one sounds real good. Sounds Canadian now. I live in Canada. No, God, wait. I didn't mean to say Canada. But this sounds like, yeah, this looks like a good country. I live in Canada. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. We're reacting to Chile EIS alarm. Okay, that kind of sounds like something else. Sounds like a bird. Sounds like another. Sounds like something else. I don't know what to say about that one. Damn it. So, reacting to Africa, South Africa. I just only put Africa. Let's react to Uganda. Zero out of 10. That sounds like a video game. Okay, you know what? Give up. Okay, guys, subscribe to my videos because I'll make more. Yeah, so I'm just stuff. Goodbye.